Hi everybody, you have subscribed to the English Mania YouTube channel and you're here with me, we are with Namal Manamadu to learn tag questions with simple present and past simple. You, I, and all of us know that we use tag questions to make someone else think what we think and make someone else feel how we feel. And I have already told you it is a bit hard for us to make tag questions with simple present and past simple because the helping verbs are not visible in simple present and past simple positive statements. Look at this. Drive vehicles. Future simple. We will drive vehicles. We subject will helping verb, drive main verb, vehicles rest. We will, want we. Present progressive. We are driving vehicles. We subject are helping verb, driving main verb, vehicles rest. We are and we. Present perfect. We have driven vehicles. We subject have helping verb, driven main verb, vehicles rest. We have, haven't we. But simple present. We drive vehicles. Subject, main verb, rest, no helping verb. In the positive statement. Past simple. We draw vehicles. Subject, main verb, rest, no helping verb is clear. Then, now we are going to learn how to make tag questions with simple present and past simple. Let's start with simple present. The tense that we use to talk about things happen again and again. If the simple present positive statement's main verb is in the infinitive form, we use don't. Look at this. I tell the truth. Don't I? We tell the truth, don't we? You tell the truth, don't you? They tell the truth, don't they? Let's practice with me. I tell the truth, don't I? We tell the truth, don't we? You tell the truth, don't you? They tell the truth, don't they? She tells the truth, doesn't she? He tells the truth, doesn't he? Right. Let's practice one more time. I tell the truth, don't I? We tell the truth, don't we? You tell the truth, don't you? They tell the truth, don't they? She tells the truth, doesn't she? He tells the truth, doesn't he? Good. Then, negative. Tag questions with simple present. I don't tell lies, do I? I don't tell lies, do I? We don't tell lies, do we? They don't tell lies, do they? She doesn't tell lies, does she? He doesn't tell lies, does he? Right, one more time with me. I don't tell lies, do I? We don't tell lies, do we? You don't tell lies, do you? They don't tell lies, do they? She doesn't tell lies, does she? He doesn't tell lies, does he? Good. Now, the past simple, the tense that we use to talk about things belong to past. I told the truth. Didn't I? We told the truth, didn't we? You told the truth, didn't you? They told the truth, didn't they? She told the truth, didn't she? He told the truth, didn't he? Right, one more line. I told the truth, didn't I? We told the truth, didn't we? You told the truth, didn't you? They told the truth, didn't they? She told the truth, didn't she? He told the truth, didn't he? Right, okay, then negative tag question with past simple. I didn't tell lies, did I? We didn't tell lies, did we? You didn't tell lies, did you? They didn't tell lies, did they? She didn't tell lies, did she? He didn't tell lies, did he? One more time. I didn't tell lies, did I? We didn't tell lies, did we? You didn't tell lies, did you? They didn't tell lies, did they? She didn't tell lies, did she? He didn't tell lies, did he? Right. You have got a great lesson tag questions. So I think you may believe that if you need to speak fluent English, proper English, you need to be a little committed. If you're a little committed, you will have little results. That means if you need to be an outstanding English speaker, or if you need to speak proper fluent English, you need to practice, 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 and practice. And you need to be committed for that. A lot committed for that. And you need to subscribe English Mania YouTube channel too.